is nice.
This is the Shark Nano slider. Why did we buy one?
So, before we get into the Shark Nano slider, let's talk about our experience with sliders. Rob.
Hi.
How do you feel about the sliders we had before?
So we've used Elecom. Our experience, it's a bit of a faff to just set them up initially. And the problem with the Elecoms we used, the kind of range and reach we got before was just so short. It just wasn't even worth it.
It was short, but also you had to use an app.
Oh God, the app.
Oh, that app. And then balancing it. Don't get me wrong, Elecom are very good. They're a very good modular system.
If you have a budget, Elecom, don't get me wrong, you can't fault them. But the price of this is quite...
Yeah, the price of this, I'm going to let you know straight away, is £800. That's just this bit here, not the Joby head or the camera. It's just this bit here. It's £800. And actually, price point I think is actually spot on.
Very reasonable.
But the reason we went for it is because when we were getting into doing video productions, we wanted to add a new level. So we went and bought the Elecom sliders to start off with before this was even available. But you have to allow time to set up.
But this, we literally bought it for a shoot. It was a spa shoot in Winchester. And there was just no faff. It's just you attach it to the tripod. That's all you need, really.
Demo how quick and easy this is. Rob, take my iPad. I'm going to demo it, and we're going to slap a time on. As soon as I press the on button, I'm going to set it to go back and forth. You've got a lovely control pad here, which is even better. So you can use an app with it. We've never used the app because we haven't needed to. So here we go. Timer start now. Switching it on. Maybe some dramatic music.
Yeah, dramatic music.
Dramatic music.
Elevator music, maybe.
Always make sure it's unlocked. Great feature to stop it from going falling around in your bag.
Yeah.
Or your camera bag. So it's calibrating at the moment.
Yeah.
Always make sure that your camera is well centered to balance on there as well, because you don't want to put unnecessary pressures on the motor. So just confirm on there that you've got a point forward, confirm that you're happy. The best feature is you hold down 2 buttons, and then you can go, right, I want to go from here, press A, slide it across to the side where you're pointing to, B, press confirm. You can also set the time. We're leaving it at 20 seconds, and we're going to have it go back and forth. Press standby. And then you're ready to go. Simple. So simple. What's great though, now it's set up and it's on the A/B test. Press the button again. You can readjust it this way. Press A. That's my A point. This is my B point. Confirm. Standby. And instantly you've got a different view straight away, which is absolutely amazing. So easy to use. It's unbelievable.
So we'll cover the spec now. It's weighing in at just about over 2 kilograms, so it's fairly weighty. It's all metal, no need for the app, so that's a game changer. It's all just touchscreen.
Lovely touchscreen actually.
Right,
really lovely. You've got a locking nut here to stop it from moving back and forth, so that's now locked. It's an absolutely solid piece. You've got feet underneath just in case you're on an uneven level. So obviously this can go on a table as well, but you're then just restricted to this distance by having it on a tripod. Obviously you've got to make sure you've got a hefty tripod so that it doesn't fall over. You get double the distance. You can do time lapse, stop motion, and loads of different things. And there's some more advanced features in the app, and there's some other channels and other videos which go into it a lot more than what we're going. It's more of an introduction to you about why we would recommend this over the competitors.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's just good for real world use.
I think in terms of slider, this is like high caliber.
The absolute best.
Top of the range.
And it takes Sony MPF batteries. This actually comes with a battery. It can also get a fixed power supply into it as well. It's got USB-C. We need to do some more stuff for this, Rob.
So what do you guys think of the iFootage Shark Nano slider? Would you buy one? Are you on the fence? We'd love to know your thoughts. What should they do next, Andy?
So guys, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, hitting that bell button, and we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for future videos where we're going to go into more tech stuff, and we're not going to bamboozle you with specifications. Take care. We'll see you soon.